Hello everyone, it is your girl Toya Rey. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're doing something completely different. It is Sunday and I absolutely love Sunday dinner. It's my favorite meal to cook. So we're cooking pot roast. So join me in the kitchen. It's Sunday dinner with Toya Rey. I've already got my onions cut up here. As you can see, I'm going to move them to the side and get started on my celery next. So while I'm doing that, you know what you need to do. You need to make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video, okay? Now that I got all my vegetables cut up, I'm going to go ahead and get them added to the pot that's already been warming up over the stove to get them sauteed. And don't be trying to comfort my nails in the video. I know I need to fill in. I'm actually planning on filming a tutorial for you guys on how I do my nails. So that's why they looking like they look. So don't come for me. Alright, so now that we got that going, I'm going to go ahead and season my pot roast. And this seasoning, I am using onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper before I brown the meat in the pan. Season it. I usually go heavy with the seasoning on my meat when I'm doing the pot roast. So season it how you like, but those are the 4 seasonings that I start off with. Both sides, and I season both sides. And yes, I do wash my meat before I season it. We're not going to have a big debate on whether or not you should be washing your meat or not. Do what you want to do to your meat. In my house, we wash meat. vegetables are looking good. This is how I want them cooked down. I really don't want to brown them. I just want to get them translucent and start softening them up. I'm going to go ahead and start removing them from the pot so I can go ahead and brown my pot roast. So once I get both sides brown, I'm going to go ahead and add back in my vegetables, and then we're going to start adding the additional flavors to the pot. Alright, so this is my secret ingredient, beer. You want to use a dark brew beer, and this is my favorite one to use. I'm going to go ahead and pour in that whole bottle. Like, this is going to give the pot so much flavor, okay? And then I'm going to take that same bottle, fill it up with water, and put water in the pot. Full bottle. Into this, I'm going to, because this is like our gravy starting for the pot, so I am going to add salt, pepper, fresh garlic. I'm going to add my steak seasoning from this stash. That's another ingredient that I use. It's going to add a little spice to it. So if you don't like too spicy, then, you know, of course, season it to your tasting, to your likings, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. My husband doesn't really like spicy food, so it's just like a little bit, just a little bit, because that combined with the steak seasoning from this stash is really going to give it like a little kick. But I don't need him fussing about the kick. Once we got all our seasonings in, we're going to give it a nice stir to get them mixed up and distributed across the pot. And I was also feeling to see how much water I had in there. On this, I am adding some flour and water mixture so that I can thicken up the liquid. And I'm also going to add some more water into the pot. We're going to let that come to a boil and then turn the heat down so it can cook on a, I would say, a low medium temperature. Okay, so for all of my seasonings, I pretty much just eyeball my seasonings. I never really use measurements unless I am baking. So if you're not sure about how much seasoning to add, I would suggest that you just start off with a little bit and then build up on your flavors. So at this point, this is what you want. Nice thick gravy, nice and tender meat. And you're gonna go ahead and add in your vegetables. I don't like mushy vegetables, so I add my vegetables in towards the end, like while my rice is cooking, and then once everything is done, then the whole pot is complete. If you like your vegetables a little bit more cooked, then I would suggest you add them earlier into your pot. Alright guys, once the pot is done, you're going to plate it over your favorite rice. We like to use Uncle Ben's in my household. And I like to serve this in bowls instead of plates because of the gravy. But it's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys try it, and if you do, let me know how you enjoyed it. If you have a different recipe for pot roast, I would love to try it, so leave it in the description box below. I love alternating recipes. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have more of them to come. Like, I absolutely love Sunday dinners. It is like the best dinner of the week. But until next time, guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next one.